ideas ignite. Amelia Roberts hosts the spectacle, a coder's delight. With just 60 minutes, the clock ticks away. Heroes of power platform come out to play. Dash to develop, dash to design. In the DevDash, every second's on the line. Power up the apps, let your strategies unwind. In the race of innovation, let your brilliance shine. Power beyond that's the quest, as solutions unfurl. PowerApps in the mix, a digital world. Automate flows like a river running free. In the DevDash arena, create what will be. Dash to develop, dash to design. In the DevDash, every second's on the line. Power up the apps, let your strategies unwind. In the race of innovation, let your brilliance shine. Under pressure, sparks fly, forging tech anew. Collaborate, elevate in a techy brew. Amelia guides the charge as potentials align. In the DevDash, watch the bright minds combine. Dash to develop, dash to design. In the DevDash, every second's on the line. Power up the apps, let your strategies unwind. In the race of innovation, let your brilliance shine. As the hour closes and the screens go bright, as the hour closes and the screens go bright,